will need to register for first-time access to the portal, meaning you will need to create a user account in order to control our controllers remotely. Click on Sign Up to go to the registration menu, where the user enters a series of information such as company name, username and password, an email where you can receive account registration confirmation and any notices related to the portal. Accept the privacy conditions and policy and then conclude. If you already have an account, all you have to do is enter your credentials to access the portal. The test credentials are username EMEC, password EMEC.